one of the new protagonists for Sonic Forces. E123 Omega. Wow, that's new. He almost looks a lot like Gamma from Sonic X. Here's his dome. The first time we saw this guy was in the final fights against Infinite. With Infinite finally gone, and with Robotnik now at peace, we don't have to deal with bad guys like this. Here's the Omega Ruby Mark. Now we draw this mark here. Alexa, play Make Your Move.
Would you like to listen to the album that song is from?
Yes.
I can help reorder everyday items, track your deliveries, add to your shopping list, or answer product questions. To get started, just tell me what you need, like, order AA batteries. Did that answer help?
Yes.
Thanks for the feedback.
Alright, so that's in commands that I will never forget. Much like the other robots who turned against Robotnik, this one is one of them. Welcome to the crew, Omega. Alexa, play Make Your Move.
Make Your Move by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
Is everybody ready to move like the PJ Masks? Okay then, make your move.
There we are. There's his fingers.
Catboy, make your feet go fast. You wanna run like Catboy? Power up and blast. Run on the spot. Super cat speed, give it all you got. Run on the spot. Come on now and don't you stop. Run on the spot will keep you in the groove. Be just like the PJ Masks and make your move. You wanna fly like Owlette, zooming through the sky. You wanna fly like Owlette.
Flap your wings and fly!
Flap, flap, flap your wings, hands up in the air. Flap, flap, flap your wings, you can do it anywhere. Flap your wings up high, higher than the roof. Be just like the PJ Masks and make your move. Alright, who's next? Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, Gecko! Go, 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 Gecko! Here we go! You wanna be strong like Gecko? Power is the key. You secure and strong like Gecko. Then flex along with me. Flex with all your might. Super Gecko muscles, left and right. Flex with all your might. It'll make you feel like dynamite. Show your Gecko muscles, there's no way you can lose. Be just like the PJ Masks to make you move. Move just like a hero and get in the groove. Be just like the PJ Masks to make you move. Make you move.
Almost done.
What is friendship all about? My little pony, my little pony. Friendship is magic.
Alright.
I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. When I was young, I was too busy to make any friends. Such silliness did not seem worth the effort it expends. But my little ponies, you opened up my eyes. And now the truth is crystal clear as splendid summer skies. And it's such a wonderful surprise. Little pony, I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. When danger makes me wanna hide, the rainbow touch to my side. Kindness, never the choice of life. Twice Fluttershy. For honesty, no pony can deny. You are the applejack of my eye. A heart that shines so beautiful, a rarity to come by. And you all make fun and laughter as easy as speaking by. My little pony, I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. Our friendship's magic, and it's growing all the time. A new adventure waits for us, each day is yours and mine. We'll make it special every time. We'll make it special every time. What a wonderful wonder friendship brings. Do you know you're all my very best friends? You're my very best friends. You're my very best friends. You're my very best friends.
There's his foot.
My little pony, what is friendship all about? My little pony, friendship is magic. I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. When I was young, I was too busy to make any friends. Such silliness did not seem worth the effort it expends. But my little ponies, you opened up my eyes. And now the truth is crystal clear as splendid summer skies. And it's such a wonderful surprise. Little pony, I used to wonder what friendship could be.
There's his hand.
Until you all shared its magic with me. When danger makes me wanna hide, the rainbow touch to my side. Kindness, never the choice of life. Twice Fluttershy. For honesty, no pony can deny. You are the applejack of my eye. A heart that shines so beautiful, a rarity to come by. And you all make fun and laughter as easy as speaking by. My little pony, I used to wonder what friendship could be.
Ha! Now tell me.
Until you all shared its magic with me. Our friendship's magic, and it's growing all the time. A new adventure waits for us, each day is yours and mine. We'll
There.
make it special every time. We'll make it special every time.
There he is.
What a wonderful wonder.
That is how you draw E123 Omega. Everyone's favorite battle beast. And to be honest, I'd be this guy's best friend too. And you will as well. Welcome to life, Omega.